Most people get this wrong when setting up direct deposit in the Albert app. They enter their payroll information once, assume everything is working, and then wonder why their paycheck never arrives. Here's the truth no one tells you. A small mistake during setup can delay your direct deposit for days. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to set up direct deposit with Albert in 2026, how to find the information you need, and the common mistakes you should avoid. By the end, you'll be able to complete the process with confidence. Let's get straight into it. The first step is opening the Albert app and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the banking or account section where your account details are displayed. Here, you'll typically find important information such as your routing number and account number. These two numbers are what your employer needs to send your paycheck directly into your Albert account. For example, if John starts a new job, his employer may ask him to complete a direct deposit form. Instead of using a traditional bank account, he can provide the routing and account numbers from his Albert account. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They accidentally enter one incorrect digit when submitting their banking information. Even a small error can cause delays or rejected deposits. Before submitting anything to your employer, carefully review every number. Taking an extra minute here can save a lot of frustration later. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some employers allow direct deposit setup through an online employee portal. Others may require a paper form. The process depends on your employer, not the Albert app itself. In a minute, I'll show you one simple step that can help you confirm everything is working correctly. After submitting your direct deposit information, ask your employer when the changes will take effect. Many payroll systems process updates before the next pay cycle, but timing can vary. For example, Jake updates his direct deposit details today. Depending on payroll deadlines, his next paycheck could still go to his previous account before the new setup becomes active. This catches many people by surprise. Another important step is checking your Albert account regularly after setup. Once your first paycheck arrives successfully, you'll know the connection is working properly. But here's one more thing. If your direct deposit doesn't arrive as expected, verify the routing and account numbers first. Then check with your employer's payroll department to confirm the information was entered correctly. Most direct deposit issues are caused by setup errors or payroll processing timelines. So, how do you set up direct deposit with Albert in 2026? Sign into your account, locate your routing and account numbers, provide them to your employer, verify everything carefully, and allow time for payroll processing. The key takeaway is simple. Accuracy matters. Double-check your information before submitting it, and you'll avoid the most common problems people face. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.